Hello, my name's Gilbert Brandt, and this video is about Resume Google Business Marketing Expert. Now, if you did a Google search for this and then you clicked over to videos, you'll see that the video that I made is already ranked for Resume Video Business Marketing Expert, but now it'll rank for Google Business Marketing Expert. Just to show you a little bit more of what I've done is if you go to Video Business Marketing Expert, you'll see that I'm also number one, two, and three on the front page of YouTube for this search. And if you go to Google, the front page of Google, 297 million people come to Google this per year. That's one of the highest things I've ever ranked for, but I have ranked for higher. You'll see I'm number one on the front page of Google, number two on the front page of Google. Now let's go to some clients that I've worked for. This is a client I'm currently working for. He owns a tree saw. Let me Google back here a little bit. Tree saw land clearing. Now, if you go to, oh, went one too far. If you go to tree saw land clearing, you'll see this is my client. He's number two on the front page of Google here. And that's 15 million searches. That's not that super high. But you see he's number two there. Now, if you take out the land clearing, he kind of jumps back and forth on this one. But you'll see that you'll be amazed by this search. Look at this 994 million people searched for tree saw in the last year. And where's my client at on this page? Well, he keeps jumping back and forth. Right now, see, let's see, 10, 9, 8. He's number 7. He keeps going back and forth between 5 and 10, but he's still on the front page, and that's where all businesses want to be, is on the front page, especially when there's a search for that much. Now, here's another one of my old clients. I worked for him back in, well, I still do consultation with him. If you Google radon mitigation, Waterloo, Iowa, there he's on the Google 3-pack. I'm going to talk a little more about that on my next client. But you'll see that he's number 3 here. He's number 4. That's an article about him. It's in the yellow pages. Like the Better Business Bureau, he's in this one. Now, when I first met him, he told me I was working as a consultant. He says, when you get me on the front page, I'll immediately pay you, take you out to dinner, and give you a bonus. So while I was there, I typed up Angie's List and Yelp were number 1 and 2 for radon mitigation Waterloo. I typed him in, entered in his information, and within 5-10 minutes, they'd send an email to this thing. So literally within 15 minutes, he was on the front page for radon mitigation. Now, if you go to radon mitigation Waterloo on YouTube, you'll see he's number 1, he's number 2, he's number 3. His site is number 5, and he's number 6. Well, he's only got 5 videos, and 4 of them are on the front page there. And if you go to radon mitigation Cedar Falls, he's first 5 videos on Cedar Falls. If you go to radon mitigation here on Google, there's his Google Places ad, and like I said, he's number 4 on the front page there. He's got like 4 different ads here. He's the yellow pages. He's on the Angie's List. He's on Yelp. Now, I got a call from him one day, and he says, I'm getting a call from way out of my service range. And he was wondering why he was getting a call from so far away. Well, if you Google radon mitigation Iowa, you'll scroll down here and you'll see that, there he is. Radon mitigation. He turns up number 1098 on the front page of Iowa. and he only really wanted to rank for Waterloo and Cedar Falls. That's why he was getting calls from all over the state of Iowa, because he ranked there. Here's another one of my clients, and this client, when I first went to work for him, it was the same thing. I got paid when I got him on the front page, and he gave me a bonus for being on the front page. Well, you'll notice if you go here, Limousine Rental, Cedar Rapids, Iowa. RAF Limo, he's number one. Boy, this spot has got him more business than he was on the front page here also. But see, I had him up to number 3 and 4 and 5 in most areas. And you'll see right here, he's number, what is it again? 1, 2, 3, 4. He's number 5. Well, he's getting way more business out of this than even though he's number 5, I'll bet. His business literally, you'll have to ask him if you want to call him, see how much it went up. He had, at one time, he had nine videos, and I dominated. But you can Google anything to do with limousine. Let's go to limousine service here. And you go to anything, and he literally dominates for anything for limousine. See, limousine service, it comes up number 1 on Google Places. Anything you Google with limousine and for Cedar Rapids, he's going to come up on the top of Google Places. And you'll see right here, he's at like number 4 on the front page. Now, he used to have, let's go over to his videos. He used to have 9 videos, but I can see he clearly hasn't kept up with his videos, probably because he's on the front page now and he doesn't have to. But at one time, I took over the first 9 places because he had 9 videos. Anything you Googled on YouTube, anything you did a YouTube search on YouTube, you would see him. Now, I got one other customer. Actually, I got 3 customers that I've worked for over the years that I have a non-disclosure agreement and a non-compete agreement with. This is one of the customers that I worked for in 2011, 2012. So my 5-year non-compete and non-disclosure agreement's up. When I worked for them, agricultural fertilizer, they had 20 products. I had 15 of them on the front page in less than a month. And the agricultural fertilizer, he had 2 videos, and they were number 1 and 2, even though they're not there anymore. If you have any more questions about prices or anything, you can give me a call. Thank you. Bye.